In this video, we're going to look at how LiveMIC works with WebVT. Very, very useful if you're having problems connecting to LiveMIC or you're not receiving the audio or sending the audio you think you should be. It's worth checking these settings out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go find our Studio Monitor application. That is the application running generally in your control room, in your studio, and it has the SM icon on the bottom of the taskbar. Once you open this, go to the LiveMIC button, and then you're going to see the LiveMIC control panel. Now, if you can't edit the audio devices in the studio and presenter section, then it means LiveMIC is running. So hit stop. And now we can alter these devices. So what does each of these do? Well, the studio device is the send. So that is the device that's going to send the audio to the remote jock, to the remote presenter on the WebVT end. So if they're not hearing the station, then that's something we need to look at. So how do we find out which device we need to choose? Well, we're going to go into Playout 1. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Hardware. And at the bottom, you'll see the WebVT LiveMIC device. Make a note of that device, make sure it's enabled, hit save, and then come back to LiveMIC. Now, what we want to do is go select that device in the studio section. If you see two of them, then try both. Make sure then when you select one, you've got the VU meter moving up and down, showing audio is being sent. Next, in the presenter section, this is the device that the presenter is going to pop out of in your studio. So you need to make sure that is the correct device also. Generally, we recommend setting that to be a device that is used by Playout 1, so it's always on, but you might have something a little bit different. When you've set that, click the launch button again to start LiveMIC, give it a test, and then hopefully you should find that your remote presenter, remote jock in WebVT hears the station audio when they connect to LiveMIC, and when they turn their microphone on, they appear out of your studio end. If you're still having problems, then don't hesitate to email us, support@air.com.